Well, hello there. This is Diamond for Diamond Shine Soap. Guys, I'm excited to see you today. Today in the studio, we're going to be doing a really quick video. We're going to be making some body splash, aka body spray. Now, guys, if you want the entire recipe, it will be, of course, found in my Patreon. Let me tell you a little bit about this Patreon that I'm talking about, because I know you're like, what the heck is a Patreon? So a Patreon is a place where I put all my candle making recipes, skincare recipes, you name it. If you're trying to start your business and you need help, that is the place for you. I mean, it's a library that I started probably like the beginning of the year, and I got so much content on there because every single day I'm just finding more and more stuff to do and to upload, because like in 2 years I wanted to be a full library where people can come and it would be just cheap for them, $20. They could just get their business started and have real results. Okay, no scams, no playing around, no getting no candles and be sitting there burning 99 candles and nothing working. I'm talking about real results. Okay, all right, so if you click on the link in the description box, you will not regret it. You will love it. It will make you happy. Don't you want to be happy? Anyway, guys, I'm excited today because today we're going to be making some body spray. Okay, so now listen, I love me a good body spray, and not only do I love me a good body spray, I also love me a nice little body butter to go along with it. So we're going to get into those body butters a little bit soon, and also those sugar scrubs. But let's talk about this body spray. So these are some really small bottles that we're going to be doing today. I already have some labeled up or whatever because I had to do it. I had to test it and all that kind of stuff just to see. And so this is going to be really simple. So what you need is you're going to need some bottles. I'm using 2-ounce bottles, guys. You can use whatever size bottles you want to use. Remember, if you buy in base, sometimes we want to keep it small as possible. I mean, that's just how I am. I'd be like 2 ounces, $5. So yeah, so we're going to be using that. You're going to need some base, of course, and that's just basically body room spray base. Room spray base is body spray base. Most of them say room and body. If it say room only, sometimes it could be like oil based, and that's just specifically for a room or a car. Don't even bother with that. Make sure you get the ones that's alcohol based. Those are the ones that really work good for your skin. Okay, all right. Also, you know, when you spray the body spray on your arm and stuff in the store, you always smell that alcohol smell. That's what it is. Okay, all right, so you're gonna need that. Now when it comes down to the percentage of fragrance, guys, it's not like a candle, it's not like sugar scrub or anything like that, or you know, because you're getting the sugar scrub thing going on in the shower, you washing that right off. So you know, you really don't, I mean, it's rare that people say I broke out from something that you just kind of washing off in the shower with. Okay, all right, now this is going straight into your skin. So you want to make sure that you follow the exact usage rates and don't try to overdo it because you like, I want it to smell stronger. Now, if you want it to smell stronger, you're going to have to use fragrances that smell stronger. You can't go and basically put more fragrance in to heighten up the smell, because remember, it's just like deodorant. You know, it goes into the skin and people get that aluminum in their skin. It's the same thing with fragrance. If you overdo it, you're putting all of that into your body. Okay, so your skin is an organ. All right, so we're going to be using about 3. The max percentage for anybody is 4%. 3% is what you need, but if you want to go over that 4%, don't go no further. Okay, all right, so we're using like 3% fragrance. We're going to be using the base. I put the base in the Patreon. Guys, I don't say like the base and stuff on YouTube, because if I say it on YouTube, then the people in the Patreon are not going to be able to get it, because you got thousands of people that watch these videos. You never know what goes viral. Okay, so you got thousands of people that watch this video, and guess what they do? They click buy, and we don't have none. Normally that's what happened. I mean, I've seen that happen multiple times, especially when we did like the those little circle round candle jars, and then we did the aroma beads. Those was going the next day, and yeah. So yeah, so but in the Patreon I got 2 levels. I got a regular $10 level where you have all access to the classes, lives, stuff like that. Some lives are excluded because they're on the $20 level. $20 level, you got the vendors, stuff like that. So, and we got exclusive classes on there. Like tonight, I got a body spray meetup with them. You know, I want to tell them what to do, what not to do, where to get it from. Anyway, now, when it comes down to the colors, you can get your colors from anywhere. Candle Science sell colors, Brown Berry sell colors. A lot of people sell soap colors. you can go actually locally. You can go to your local craft store and you can purchase colors as well. Okay, so you're gonna need liquid colors. You're gonna use the soap colors, and I think it's like FD&C or something like that. Anyway, those are the colors you're gonna need. Nothing oil based or whatever the case may be, because this is a water based product. Okay, so we're gonna be using that. Okay, all right. So I'm excited about these body sprays. Okay, hey, I'm excited. Let me show my excitement. Let's go ahead and get right into it, because I know y'all got things to do. All right. First, I put 1 drop of pink dye at the bottom of my beaker. And the next thing I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and put my base inside. But as you can see, I would want mine to be a little bit lighter than this. So I'm just gonna put a little bit more base inside of here so that it can lighten up the color and make it more of a bright pink. I don't want it to be so dark, because when it's really, really dark, it end up looking red. And this is red, my snapping apple. So I want it to be a little bit more pink. And as you can see the difference, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. This one is lighter and this one is darker. So I don't want them to look alike at all, because this one is pink sugar. So I'm gonna put a little bit more base inside. Next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go ahead and get you some fragrance, and you wanna put about 3% fragrance in there. Now I have about 4 ounces right here. So 3% of 4 ounces is, I'm gonna need, since this is 4 ounces of base and dye, I'm gonna need 0.12 ounce of fragrance. And I'm gonna be using pink sugar. I'm gonna use my cap because I don't wanna over pour it. Go ahead and stir and make sure I get everything even. Now, when it comes down to this particular project, you can't use mica, because mica will sink to the bottom. You don't have to spend a lot of money on bottles. So my suggestion to you, if you want to save on shipping, I would go on Amazon and use my Prime membership to get them. So the cool thing about these beakers is they have like a little pouring spout on it. So we're going to use that pouring spout to the best of our advantage. And we're gonna go ahead and fill our bottles up. Okay, so guys, we are done. We are finished, and this is our finished product. It looks pretty good. Now, all you have to do is go ahead and put your labels on there, but you want to make sure you wipe them down with alcohol. Everything is completely dry, and then you can apply your labels. All right, well, go ahead, hit that like, hit that subscribe, hit that thumb up. I will see you guys again with another video. All right.